Night of God, November 23rd, tonight. Midnyte Hustle, J Midnyte. From beatmaker to building his name up by himself. 10 million views on YouTube. 25,000 subscribers. They said I was just reposting shit. Nah, bruh. Ask them niggas. They got media platforms for a reason. Midnyte Hustle be ahead of the game. So that when I drop, I could drop on my own shit. And I can't be waiting on no rappers. Nigga, I be sending beats and niggas be taking a month to do a track. Nigga, I did this project in about a week or less. Shit, lying down. Listen, go look at your favorite artist that's popping right now. Go look at their YouTubes. Go look at their Instagrams. Nigga. But shout out to all the artists that I work with or have worked with. Cause I'm only here to build y'all up too. But it's time right now. Some certain shit gotta be said and niggas ain't saying it. It ain't always party time. Somebody gotta switch the flow up. Somebody gotta switch these bars up, the beats up. Somebody gotta do it. So, Night of God, November 23rd. Welcome to J Midnyte.